Extruder Gear Assembly Replacement Guide for the A2L. Always power off and disconnect power before maintenance. Remove the extruder unit front cover. Then, remove the silicone sock from the hot end. Open the hot end latch and remove the hot end. Pull the extruder wheel off of the front of the tool head. Remove the two screws securing the tool head filament inlet. Pull the filament inlet assembly up and lay it on top of the tool head. Loosen the extruder tension screw on the left side of the tool head. Remove the 4 highlighted screws from the tool head. Remove the filament cutter arm screw and lay the cutter arm down. Pull off the extruder unit front cover and remove the driven gear assembly, being mindful of its spring and spring plate. Remove the extruder drive gear. Install the extruder drive gear. Install the driven gear assembly with spring and spring plate in place as shown. Install and tighten the extruder tension screw. Install the extruder unit front cover by aligning the bearing with the extruder gear shaft. Replace the 4 screws. Align the filament cutter blade carefully. Move and hold the filament cutting arm into place and replace the filament cutter arm screw. Reinstall the tool head filament inlet and replace its 2 screws. Install the extruder wheel. Install the hot end, the silicone sock, and the front cover. Verify that the extruder feeds filament smoothly without jamming. For more guides, tips, and troubleshooting help, visit the Bambu Lab Wiki at wiki.bambulab.com.